Hello everyone, welcome back to Health Naturally. Today we will be discussing a very common problem faced during season changes, common cold and cough. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to Health Naturally where I upload health related videos every Saturday at 7 pm. Do like, share and comment, and also share it with your friends and family members and get the benefit of your health from your home. Common cold. Common cold is a frequent problem encountered among people of all age and groups. Symptoms. The following symptoms are usually seen: running nose, sore throat, sneezing, blocked nose, body pain, headache, fever, cough, and watery eyes. Preventive measures in common cold. Use turmeric, ginger, and tulsi to boost immunity during outbreak in the form of warm decoction twice a day, at least for a week. Keep away from others who are having symptoms of common cold. The affected person should cover mouth and nose while sneezing or coughing. Wash hands with soap and avoid touching face if come in contact with person with symptoms. Eat healthy, hygienic, warm, and easily digestible food. Use oil in the nostrils or ears only with an advice by a qualified physician. Take sufficient rest and exercise regularly according to the capacity of your body. Home remedies in common cold. Steam inhalation is a simple procedure which can be done at home, and also it is very beneficial in common cold. Decoction prepared from small pieces of ginger, 3 to 4 pinches of black pepper, and 5 to 6 tulsi leaves taken 3 times a day is very helpful in common cold. Mix 1 tablespoon honey with half tablespoon dalchini cinnamon powder and take 2 to 3 times a day. Gargle with warm saline water or decoction of turmeric powder 2 to 3 times a day. Cough. These are some of the home remedies used in cough. Keep small pieces of mulethi, lysoris, or clove in mouth in cases of dry cough. Take decoction of powder or fresh leaves of vasa, Adha tota vesica. Take 1 glass hot milk mixed with 1 spoon, that is 5 gram of turmeric at bedtime. Lukewarm decoction of ginger or 1 tablespoon juice of ginger and tulsi with a spoon of honey 3 times a day. Gargling with warm saline water and steam inhalation 2 to 3 times a day is beneficial in cough. Clove, ginger, and cardamom in the form of powdered or decoction or processed with milk is useful in cough with sputum. The cough associated with breathing problems, high fever, chest pain, or if the cough persists for more than 2 weeks associated with blood in the sputum, weight loss, fever, loss of appetite, etc. Seeking medical advice from a qualified medical practitioner is very essential for further screening and treatment. This video is just for educational and informative purpose, and it should not replace your medical consultation. If you have any problem, it's always better to consult a registered Ayurveda doctor near you. Thank you.